Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the insanely cool Galaxy Z Flip 5, a phone that takes foldable tech to a whole new level. Sure, it's building on the legacy of the Flip 4, but there are a few epic upgrades that make you a must-watch. We're talking a larger, more vibrant external display, a super refined hinge, and yes, the powerhouse Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy. Just like always, let's kick things off on the design. The Flip 5 feels like a futuristic gadget right out of a spy movie. Samsung has reworked that hinge mechanism to be nearly bezel-less, which means when you flip it open you get an uninterrupted, sleek look. Compared to the Flip 4, the Flip 5 not only feels more premium in your hand, thanks to its robust aluminum frame and upgraded glass panels, but also sports a larger, more functional cover screen. That little crease is now even more defined, a sign of innovative engineering that keeps the phone super slim while making every flip feel magical. Now let's talk display. Open up the Flip 5 and you're greeted by a 6.7-inch Dynamic AMOLED display that's nothing short of breathtaking. With a Full HD Plus resolution and a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate, everything, from your epic movie marathons to quick social media scrolls, looks insanely fluid. And the cover screen, it's been juiced up from what we saw in the Flip 4, making it way more useful for quick glances, selfies or even running mini apps. Under the hood, the Flip 5 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy, a chip that's all about raw performance. Multitasking, gaming and heavy-duty apps run like a dream, until you put it through its paces. Here's the kicker, this chip is known for its less than ideal heat management. So if you're a hardcore gamer or a power user, you might notice the device warming up a bit more than you'd expect. But even with that minor hiccup, the overall performance and smoothness, especially with Samsung's finely tuned One UI on Android 14, make it hard to argue with the results. It's like having a sports car that occasionally revs a bit high in the full throttle, exciting but with a tiny quirk. Moving on to the camera, the part of any smartphone that can really steal your heart. The Flip 5 continues with the dual camera setup, a 12MP main sensor and a 12MP ultra-wide lens. The result? Vivid, detailed shots, whether you're snapping urban landscapes or capturing a spontaneous selfie. The recording in 4K at 30fps means your memories come out looking cinematic every time. It has improved cover screen camera to jump straight into a selfie or video call, all without the hassle of opening the device. Battery life in the Flip 5 is built for the everyday hustle. With a capacity of around 3700 mAh, it easily powers through a full day of streaming, scrolling and multitasking. And when it's time to juice up, the rapid wire charging gets you back in action fast enough to keep you pace with your busy lifestyle. While it might not have the warp speed charging of some competitors, the overall endurance and balance performance ensure you're never left in the lurch. Finally, let's cover the access that truly rounded the Flip 5 experience. With full 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3 and NFC, staying connected is a breeze. The enhanced or always-on display gives you all your key info at a glance, and all those customizable gesture controls, they make navigation feel almost futuristic. Add in top-notch security with Samsung Knox and you've got a phone that's not only innovative and fun, but also secure enough for your daily grind. Compared to the Flip 4, these enhancements aren't just minor tweaks. They're what make the Flip 5 a huge leap forward in the foldable game. In a nutshell, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 perfectly marries cutting-edge tech with a design that's both nostalgic and forward-thinking. Sure, that Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy might run a bit warm when pushed to its limits, but its blistering performance more than makes up for it. With a large external display, a refined hinge and all-around better specs than the Flip 4, this device isn't just a phone, it's a statement. If you enjoyed this deep dive, smash that like button, subscribe for more epic tech reviews and drop a comment telling me what you think about this foldable revolution. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace!